Let me tell you something. One of the greatest things about these brand new Alumacrafts is the X-Pod system on the back, because here's the deal. Not only has it added extra space that you can see back here, I mean, I got my tackle bag sitting back there. I'm gonna move that for a second and I'm gonna show you something, because I think this is the most important part of these X-Pod systems. We've given you all that extra space, but here's the other thing. When I come up here and I stand up here, you notice the boat doesn't tip to one side. And it's because we have all this extra flotation back here. So you have the extra space for casting, you have the extra space for walking around the back end of the boat. But the other thing you have is this additional flotation. And that to me is the biggest thing, because if we're trolling crankbaits, let's say I'm reeling in a fish and I've got somebody gonna net a fish. We can have two people on this side of the boat and the boat does not tip. Let's say I'm up here casting jigs and I need somebody to come back here and net the fish. The boat does not get that tip to it. And it just makes it more comfortable. I mean, when it comes down to it, I have no worries when I jump up here when somebody else is coming back here. I'm not worried about my coffee tipping over, and I'm certainly not worried about falling in, because we have all that extra flotation back there in that X-Pod system. When it comes down to it, you'll only find that in Alumacraft boats. And I'm gonna tell you, it makes a huge difference. You get in my boat, and I've had guys do it all year long. They get in my boat and they say, my gosh, this thing is huge, and I've never been in an aluminum boat that is this stable. And that's all because of these Alumacraft X-Pods. Check them out, because I'll tell you what, make a huge difference in your daily fishing.